Hello guys, welcome to City Money. So if you haven't claimed your Iceberg airdrop, make sure you claim it. You only have 27 days left to claim your airdrop. So once you log into your Telegram Iceberg bot, you see this interface pop up. So make sure you claim your airdrop. You can just click on the claim airdrop, then click on claim airdrop. Then you'll be able to see the amount of airdrop that you were given. As you can see, mine, it's showing 12,500 Iceberg token. So wallet address, this claim price. Oh my goodness, these people are requesting for 1.5 ton to claim the airdrop. Is this something you should go ahead and claim or not? If you have 1.5 ton, you can claim, but definitely I'm not claiming anything because I don't even know the value of this token yet. 1.5 ton is a lot, and for them to charge 1.5 ton for a airdrop that is supposed to be free, it doesn't make sense. So I'm not going to pay 1.5 ton to claim this token that has no value yet. So if you wish to claim, you can go ahead and claim. If you have a lot of allocation and you want to claim, then you can go ahead and claim. But it's very simple. If you want to claim, just click on claim. Then you're going to be connecting your wallet and pay that amount, guys. So that's just it. But I'm not going to pay the 1.5 ton, guys. I'm not going to pay the 1.5 ton. So if you have enough Iceberg token, you can go ahead and claim your token, but you just have 27 days left to claim it. So claim amount 1.5 ton. Hey guys, I'm never going to do that. So if you have, just tap on the claim button to bring you to this section. Make sure you have 1.5 ton. Once you have it, click on send. It will approve the transaction and you'll be able to claim your token, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. As you can see, I don't even have any ton in my wallet. Talk more of claiming, you can see. So I'm never gonna pay 1.5 ton to claim this. Instead, I'll use it to buy major token. Thank you for watching, guys. Please give this video a like and make use of the comment section if you have any question for me. And again, guys, before I close this video, please join my WhatsApp channel. I drop information there even before making video about them. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.